Hi all, today we're going to complete our problem set by using blocks to prove the number bond strategy or to use the number bond strategy to help us add. So these are our problems and we're going to start with number 12, 25 plus 4. As you can see here, I have my 25, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now, if I have 5, how many more do I need to make 10? Let's count together. Ready? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, or 10. So I would need 5 more to make another 10. But I do not have 5 more, I only have 4. So when we use the number bond strategy, what we're going to do is we're going to break apart 25 into 20 and 5. So here's our 20 and here's our 5. At first, I'm going to add the ones. I'm going to add 5 plus 4. So if I do this on with our blocks, I'm going to put the 4 blocks over here. Everyone, what's 5 plus 4? If you said 9, you are correct. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Then I have to add this part. So I have to start with 20. So let's say the number sentence starting with 20. Ready? 20 plus 9 equals 29. So 25 plus 4 is 29. And 29 is 2 tens blocks and 9 ones blocks. So in this problem, we took apart 25 and made 20 and 5 so that we could add the ones. Sometimes you're going to need to take apart the smaller number to make a 10, as in this problem. So this problem is 25 and 6. So here's my 25 again, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This time I'm going to add 6. So if I start at 25 or 5 ones, how many more ones do I need to make a 10? Let's count and see. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's see how many yellow blocks I use to make another 10. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I added 5 to make another 10. So this is how it would look on our number bond. I'm going to take apart 6 and I'm going to break it apart into 5 and 1. Here's my 5 and here's my 1. So now I'm going to start at 25 and I'm going to add 5 more. And what do you get? If you said 30, you are correct. Do you see the 3 tens here? 25 plus 5 is 30. Now I'm going to add this part and this part. So I'm going to start at 30 and I'm going to add 1 more and that makes 31. So this is our number bond strategy for this problem. First I broke apart 6 into 5 and 1. I added 25 plus 5. 25 plus 5 is 30. And then I added 30 plus 1 equals 31. This is 3 tens block and 1 ones block. Now remember, we could always use the count on strategy. We could always start at 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. But they're asking us to use the number bond strategy to do this. Okay, here is our next problem. This is number 14 in the problem set. So our problem says 34 plus 4. Here's my 34, 30, and 4. And here's my 4 ones. So if I start at 4, how many more would I need to make a 10? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I would need 6 more, but I only need 4 more. So I'm going to start with the ones and add the ones first. So on my number bond, I'm going to break apart 34 into 2 parts. What's this part? If you said 30, you are correct. And this part is 4. So I'm going to start with the ones. I'm going to add 4 plus 4. And so I'm going to bring my ones box over. 4 plus 4 is, if you said 8, you are correct. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now here's my 8, but then I have to add this part. So my number sentence would be 30 plus, and then I'm going to add this part we just added, 8 equals 38. So 34 plus 4 is 38. 3 10s and 4 1s. Great job, superstars. We're going to do one more. And we're also going to start with 34 again. Okay, I have my 34. And this time I'm going to add 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got to think of the 4 here. I'm going to see if I can make another 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more ones to make a 10. So I'm going to break apart this 8 into 6 and 2. Do you see why I did that? I broke it into a 6 and a 2 because I needed 6 over here to make a friendly 10. So I'm going to start with the 34. And I'm going to add 6 more. And I'm going to get what number? How many do I have right here? How many 10s? If you said 4 10s or 40, you are correct. 34 plus 6 equals 40. And then I'm going to, I already have this part. Now I'm going to add the 2 left over here. So I'm going to start with 40. 40 plus 2 equals, if you said 42, you are correct. So 34 plus 8 is 42. And 42 is 4 10s block and 2 1s block. And again, friends, we could always use the count up strategy. We could start at 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. That would be the count up strategy, but they ask us to use the number bond strategy. Great job, friends. Keep that good math thinking coming.